what are you doing? I'm putting up the Christmas tree. It looks terrible. What happened to it? Remember last year's holiday party when we all climbed up the tree? Oh, yeah. Let's get a new tree. It's starting to snow. Now it really feels like Christmas. It's too cold. Let's just go to the Walgett and get a fake one. Okay. They have so many. I don't know. They are all too green. I want something different. You know, special. Oh, wait. Look at the color tree display. Ah, the pink one. Oh, it's so beautiful. I want that one. Daisy, it's $400. So, if we buy it, I will have no money to buy you presents. Really? Okay, then I guess just pick any green one and let's go. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling.